You are committing to support one another, to communicate with each other, to appreciate each other, to respect one another, and to love one another. Today you are acknowledging that the two of you together are stronger than apart. All you've done to get here, not just to this time in your relationship, but physically to this place, in that dress, in that suit, in this rain. That's what you call a best man. All of that, and now you're living it. So I'd like you to experience it, to slow down, take a breath, maybe a short one, and let it sink in.
Can it be that you're here with me? Let's start writing our own history. Let's take this road, oh, this winding, winding road. Let's just take the long way home. You've got me running in circles. Slow down. Let's just keep spinning, spinning, spinning. Just keep going round, going round. You've got me running in circles. I can't keep both feet on the ground. Let's just keep spinning, spinning, spinning. Just keep going round, going round. Nothing but sunshine. Sunshine and happiness are all that's around us now. And I haven't felt, haven't felt like this for a long, long time. You've got me running in circles. I don't ever want to slow down. Let's just keep spinning, spinning, spinning. Just keep going round, going round. You've got me running in circles. I can't keep both feet on the ground. Let's just keep spinning, spinning, spinning. Just keep going round, going round. Just keep going round, going round. You've got me.
Welcome to today's marriage ceremony and affirmation of love between Katie Twillman, I'm not going to cry, and Cameron Radanovic. Today we find ourselves privileged and honored to be in the presence of two young people starting their lives together in very unique times. No two marriages are alike, and no two marriages start alike. The most important way to start a marriage is to do it surrounded by the love and warmth of family. As many of you know, these two families lived 10 houses apart on Bernard Drive in Basking Ridge, New Jersey. They watched two young, and sometimes irresponsible high schoolers, we'll skip those years, grow together into two wonderful adults whose love has grown for over a decade. every great accomplishment, every great partnership requires commitment, devotion, and a leap. When it's right, and this is right.
You're beautiful.
Thank you.
Okay. My God! No time. Oh, I love it.
Such steps, such commitments, such statements require courage, but they multiply the fulfillment of our lives. These are the steps that make life worth living. Who gives this woman to be married today?
Katie is kind, empathetic, and fiercely loyal to her friends and family. Katie's love for her people is undeniable. Who else could gather all this love in the room tonight?
Katie, I'm so thankful to finally be able to call her my sister. I've never met anyone who's been okay with their now husband taking longer to get ready to go out than you are. You are such an amazing person, have a beautiful soul. I always enjoy being in your company.
Cameron, we don't even have to ask you to take care of our sister. You already do. And you make her the absolute happiest. The love between you two is palpable. Thank you for being you and for loving our sister unconditionally.
So Cameron, today it is our pleasure to officially welcome you to the family. Katie and Cameron, we can't wait to watch what the next chapter has in store for you.
May Katie and Cameron not expect perfection in each other. That belongs only to Christ. May they minimize each other's weaknesses, be swift to praise each other's strengths, and see each other through a lover's kind and determined eyes. May you never take one another's love for granted, but that you experience the wonder that exclaims, out of all the people in this world, you have chosen me. God bless.
Katie, today is the happiest day of my life because I get to marry my best friend. Over the past 13 years, we've learned how to grow together through the good and the bad, and you've always pushed me to be the best version of myself.
Cameron, I have been thinking about marrying you since I was 18 years old. Your kindness inspires me daily, and you're generous with your kindness in the sweetest and most genuine way possible.
You love me in a way that I didn't know was possible. You've accepted me with all of my flaws and have helped me understand that everything we go through in life, we're going to go through together.
You've taught me how powerful it is to treat everyone with grace and compassion. Your patience and calmness centers me. Through all of life's challenges, you have been my rock. I love the way you approach life and find peace in the craziness.
You have the biggest heart out of everyone I know. The love and care that you show to every single person in your life is infectious. I'm constantly at awe of everything that you do.
I promise that every day we will smile, we will laugh, and never take ourselves too seriously. I know that we will always be the same laid-back, fun-loving kids that fell in love 14 years ago.
I love that you cry through commercials. I love that you fall asleep in the blink of an eye, even though you hate it. Although it may not always seem like it, I love your unmatched energy in the mornings. I love going to sleep next to you every night and waking up next to you every morning.
I promise to always prioritize you. When schedules get hectic, when emotions run high, when work gets busy or kids come into the picture, you are and will always be my number one.
Katie, I promise to always love you for who you are and for who you're going to become. I promise to be your partner in life. I promise to always strive to be the man you deserve. I promise to be with you forever.
I know that more than anything, our marriage will be perfectly imperfect. I look forward to every moment, every decision, occasion, and milestone, big or small, because they will all be that much sweeter with you. I love you, Cameron. I always have and I always will.
I give you this ring as a symbol of my love and faithfulness to you.
I give you this ring as a symbol of my love and faithfulness to you.
Having affirmed your commitment to each other in the presence of everyone here today, I now declare you husband and wife. Cameron, you may kiss your bride.